It would be nice to buy a new car, but we can't afford it.
I'd love to live by the sea.
Shall I tell Chris what happened?
No, I wouldn't say anything.
They helped us a lot. I don't know what we'd have done without their help.
I didn't tell Sam what happened. He wouldn't have been pleased.
I would call Lisa, but I don't have her number. I would have called Lisa, but I didn't have her number.
I'm not going to invite them to the party. They wouldn't come anyway. I didn't invite them to the party. They wouldn't have come anyway.
I would call Lisa if I had her number. I would have called Lisa if I'd had her number. I'll stay a little longer. I've got plenty of time. I'd stay a little longer, but I really have to go now.
I'll call Lisa. I have her number. I'd call Lisa, but I don't have her number.
I'll call you on Sunday.
Tom said he'd call me on Sunday.
I promise I won't be late. Amy promised that she wouldn't be late.
Damn, the car won't start.
Lisa was annoyed because her car wouldn't start.
I tried to warn him, but he wouldn't listen to me.
The car wouldn't start.
When we were children, we lived by the sea. In summer, if the weather was fine, we would all get up early and go for a swim.
Whenever Richard was angry, he would walk out of the room.
Whenever Richard was angry, he used to walk out of the room.